You get something where they hungry me now, eh? Hi! The thing they hungry me. If I talk am now, all of that will come after me and I go attack me. Oh my God. That thing they hungry me so much. I wish I can eat it. I wish I can get it. Oh, I'm a broke girl. I have bills to pay. I wish someone would take me on a vacation. The only girl that is sweet in even there. Water. And dance na money bugini. Water. It will cost you millions to look those good. And mind you, I did not go under the knife. I'm watching my weight. Go and argue with your God.
Evan Okoro zukanike. Zukanike. This stylish begging they can very risky. Which one be say you need someone to sponsor you go Dubai? Waiting do your money. Waiting do your own money. Why you not go use your own money? Take spoil your own self. If somebody should DM you now and sponsor the whole trip now, and tomorrow they carry your gist, go on blog, go keep. Now you go begin they cry out, say if you know you wouldn't have done this online begging. Adi Suzukanike. You self no small now. Why you go they beg? Who actress like you go come outside? They beg for money. Now una they make all these people they look una less for all this Nollywood Asabawood this thing. They go they put una for mouth always say wetin they do Nollywood girls. Say una they do all these ashawo this thing. Now you can't they beg. Wetin you go call this one now? I beg, I too like you know they do all this begging. At least if you want beg reasonably. Or you just say you need somebody to make your visa that you don't want to spend your own money. Make they give money to find girl now. You self check am. You know bam at all. I don't like am. More as I see the video, I say no, I need to bring it to the headquarters. I bet my people what you know think. Drop your opinion for comment section. See you guys on my next episode. Bye.